Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to explain something very important. If you are studying computer science or thinking about a tech career, we all know coding is important, but here is the truth. Coding alone won't make you successful in tech. There are a bunch of real world skills that college doesn't teach, but they are just as important for building a career in tech. And in this video, I am going to tell you what those skills are and how you can develop them. So let's start with why these skills even matter. You might have the best coding skills in your class, but if you can't work well with others, solve real problems, or adapt in new situations, it's going to be tough to grow in a tech career. Companies are looking for people who can think beyond the code and bring more to the table. Think of it like this: if you are building a house, the code is like the bricks, but the real world skills are like the blueprint. The teamwork to put it together and the ability to fix problems that come up along the way. You need all of it to build something that works. Alright, the first skill is problem solving, and it sounds obvious, but it's very different from just writing code. Coding in college might mean solving assignments with clear instruction, but in the real world, you are often given vague or incomplete information, and you have to figure out the things. For example, if you are working on a project at a tech company, you might get a task like building a feature that makes user login easier. There won't be step-by-step instruction. You will have to think about the best way to do it. Maybe by adding a login with Google option or making the password reset easier. To get better at problem solving, try tackling coding challenges that don't have straightforward solutions, or work on open source projects where things are a bit messier. This will help you to get used to thinking on your feet. Next is the communication skills. You might be thinking, why do I need this? I am a coder, but trust me, it's huge. You will have to work with other people. For example, you have to work with developers, designers, and even clients. You need to explain your ideas clearly and listen to others. Imagine you have built an amazing feature, but when you show it to your team, they don't understand why it's important or how it works. You need to be able to explain your ideas simply and clearly so that everyone is on the same page. To get better at this, practice explaining your code to others. Even better, try teaching someone who is not a coder. It forces you to break things down simply, and that's a skill companies give value. Number 3 is collaboration and teamwork. In tech, you are rarely working alone. Most of the time, you are part of a team working on a bigger project. Knowing how to work well with others is key. Think about group projects in school. You know how sometimes someone doesn't do their part or there is miscommunication. That happens in tech too, but on a bigger scale. You have to know how to work with different types of people, share responsibilities, and help each other out when things go wrong. To build this skill, get involved in team projects, whether it's for a class, an internship, or an open source project. And remember, it's not just about doing your part, it is also about supporting others and asking for help when you need it. Fourth is adaptability. In the tech world, things change fast. New tools, programming languages, and technologies come out all the time. Being adaptable means you are willing to learn new things and adjust quickly. Let's say you have learned a lot about the one programming language in college, like Java. but then you start a new job where you use Python. If you are open to learning and adapting, you will do great. But if you stick only to what you know, it might hold you back. To practice this, try learning a new skill or programming language outside of your comfort zone. Even if it's something small like a new framework or tool, it helps you stay flexible and ready for whatever comes your way. The fifth skill is time management and prioritization. In tech, you will often have several tasks to juggle. For example, coding, meetings, and sometimes emergencies that need fixing right away. Knowing how to manage your time and prioritize what's important is a must. Let's say you are working on a feature, but suddenly there is a bug that affecting users. You have to decide if you will pause your current work to fix the bug or delegate it to someone else. Making these decisions quickly and effectively is super valuable. To build this skill, start setting priorities for your task each day. Make a list of what's most important and tackle those first. Over time, you will get better at managing your own time, and it will make your work a lot smoother. Alright, let's recap. If you want to succeed in tech, it's not just about coding. You also need problem solving skills, communication, teamwork, adaptability, and time management. These real world skills are what make you a valuable team member and help you grow in your career. Don't worry if you don't have all these skills yet. Nobody does when they are just starting. The important thing is to practice and keep learning. The more you work on these, the better prepared you will be for real world tech jobs. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future tips. I have got a lot more videos coming to help you build a strong tech career. Let me know in the comments which skills you are working on and let's learn together. Thanks for watching and keep building those skills.